Hello students, welcome in this topic of scales. Today we discuss about plane scale. We are going to solve a problem of plane scale. So this is the problem of a plane scale. A rectangular plot, just write this problem. I have just read once. A rectangular plot of 25 square kilometer is represented on a certain map by a similar rectangle of area 1 centimeter square. Draw a plane scale to show kilometer and long enough to measure up to 80 kilometer. Now first of all, we just understand the problem. What type of data and which data are given in the problem. See, a rectangular plot of 25 square kilometer. This is the actual area of drawing. Is represented on a certain map by a similar rectangle of area 1 centimeter square. Means 1 centimeter square is area on drawing. So by comparing or using this data, we have to find RF, representative fraction. Then draw a plane scale to show kilometer, means kilometer is the only unit, and long enough to measure up to 80 kilometer means the maximum length of our scale is 80 kilometer. Okay, now first of all, we find the RF of the scale. As we know, the formula for RF is equal to length on drawing upon actual length. But here area is given. So what we can do? Length of drawing upon actual length. But in this question, the area is given. So area on drawing upon actual area, and then we get the square root of this. This will give us the answer. So we solve this. 1 centimeter square divided by 25 kilometer square is equal to 1 centimeter divided by 5 kilometer after getting the root. Now we solve this, we get the answer 1 upon 5 lakh. This is our RF. Now next we have to find length of scale. The formula for length of scale is RF multiplied by maximum length. So our RF is 1 upon 5 lakh and the maximum length is 80 kilometer. This is the maximum length of the scale. Now if we solve this, we get 16 centimeter. So our length of scale is 16 centimeter. Now we go to draw the scale. First of all, we draw a scale of 16 centimeter. The length of this scale is 16 centimeter, which represent maximum length of 80 kilometer. Now we have to divide this scale into equal number of parts and get the units. Now how to divide this scale? First of all, the main division. The maximum length of scale is 80 kilometer. 80 kilometer. And we get a unit kilometer. Means the minimum unit is 1 kilometer. So 80 kilometer is, if divided into 10 equal parts, we get 10 kilometer. And if 10 kilometer is divided into 10 equal parts, we get 1 kilometer. So by dividing twice or getting 2 times parts, we get 2 units. Now first, if the maximum scale is 80 kilometer, we divide it into 8 equal number of parts. This is the construction of scale for our convenience. We draw a center line also. So we divide the scale into 8 equal parts. Means what? We get a division of 10 kilometer. Now we write here marking of scale. This is 0. As you know, we write 0 after end of first part, not here in our engineering scales. Now 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 kilometer. This is the main part of scale. Now, if first part is again divided into 10 equal parts, we get 1 kilometer. That is our second unit. So now for dividing this first part into again some equal number of parts, we have to use a construction called division of line. As you know, we taught already that for this we draw a line at any angle, then we mark here equal divisions. Suppose we want to divide this part into 10 equal parts. So we have to mark 10 equal divisions on this line. Suppose by compass. So we mark 10 equal divisions on this line. Now we joined this last division to 0 and then draw the parallel lines from each divisions like this. So in this way we divide this first part into 10 equal number of parts. This construction is called division of line as we taught earlier. Now this is the construction of scale. First part, then second part, then all parts. So this is construction of scale for our convenience or for reading convenience. Now we write 10 kilometer here as first part is 0 to 10. Now we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all numbers here. But it is not very easy or readable, or as we know the space is very less in between 0 to 10. So instead of writing all numbers, 1, 2 or 3 numbers if we write, it is sufficient. Now at last we draw or we write RF just below at the center of the scale. This is the complete construction of plane scale.